that you are well. Today we are going to be doing nails again. Today I've already applied my nail tips using the Lazy Girl method. If you don't know how to do the Lazy Girl method, I did a previous video and I will have that in the description. So I'm going to get started with the no monomer method using this acrylic powder as well as this clear acrylic powder. Both of these are from Saviland. And I'm going to be using the Saviland base gel as well as the top gel. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so excited to have all of you here. And if you came over from Baby Girl Nails, a special welcome to you. And thank you so much, Baby Girl Nails, for the shout out. Now, I have a lot of different nail design products on my desk. I'm not sure which direction I'm going. I'm just showing you everything that I have and kind of like behind the scenes through my thought process when I'm doing my nails. Now, I'm definitely going to be using some shimmer again from this eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use that pretty bluish, turquoise-ish, I don't know. Now, I did go ahead and buy this hair chalk that I thought I was going to use in this video, but I am not going to yet open this. I do have this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure which color I'm going to be using from either of these palettes, but I did end up using the white only for this design. Also, I picked up some of this spider gel from Saviland. I'm gonna unbox this and use this in a different design. I thought I was gonna use it in this design today, but because I didn't have any direction of what I was gonna do, I still left it in the video, so you know for the next video that this might be something I use. In case you wanted to purchase for yourself, that is the spider gel, so I have some ideas for that. So now let's get started on mixing my acrylic powder, and here is how it looks after I have combined all of the colors. I'm just going to take my spatula and just mix this all together. I really love creating my own custom acrylic powder colors. If you are not yet doing this and you're going to be trying the no monomer method, I guarantee that you're really going to enjoy experimenting and creating your own beautiful colors. Now, if you do have an instance where the color does not match what you kind of want, which also happens in this video, just go ahead and add in more color until you get the desired color that you want. Bearing in mind that this is how it looks, it also can look different on your nail. So just bear in mind that it might look light blue, but when it gets on your nail, it's totally different color. So that was not blue enough for me, so I went in with some more of that original sky blue acrylic powder from Saviland, and this is how it looks after I have used my Melody Susie drill to get it all incorporated. So now I'm just going to dust off this initial crumb layer and then go on to the second layer using this color. Okay, so I'm satisfied with how this blue is looking. So what I want to do is a French tip, which is very simple for this video. I'm going to take the same glue that we used to apply the acrylic, and I am going to get a liner brush and draw a line of the glue onto the tip. I'm going to be using this rosy beige acrylic powder from Saviland as well. And you will need a liner brush to draw the line of the glue onto your nail. So essentially you're just drawing that area where you want your French tip. Now you can do a French tip, you can do a U tip, you can do a V tip, you can color block, you can do anything you want to do as long as you create that glue line onto your nail. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is for you to be able to do a number of different designs with the no monomer method if you have a liner brush. Once you've drawn your lines with the liner brush, then you go ahead with the regular brush from the glue and just paint that area. Just paint the glue onto the area of the French tip area only. Next, whichever color that you plan to use for your French tip, just go ahead and grab that acrylic powder and then pour it directly onto the glue. And don't worry if it goes to the other area because there's no glue on that part of your nail. That should have already been dried for 2 minutes. So you can directly pour the glue, the acrylic powder onto it and then just tap the excess off. And you'll be able to see that it only adhered to the glue area. Okay, that is how that nail is looking. Now you will see that it is slightly raised from the other area. So what you could do is take some clear acrylic powder and add it to the other section, but I'm not going to do that because I know that I'm not keeping this design on long. So what I'm simply going to do is just add some top gel over this and cure this under my UV lamp so that I can go ahead and proceed with designing it. This color is so pretty. Like this reminds me of the ocean, like clear, crystal clear waters, crystal clear skies. Anyway, it's gorgeous, but it needs a little bit more. So what I've done is I've taken my Modelones white gel polish, and I've added some a brush with some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and I have just kind of dabbed it onto my nail in different areas to kind of create that surge, you know, the white surge that comes with the beach. And after you've done that surge, then I just go in with some darker lines. Essentially, you're almost doing a marble, but you're making it look a little bit more beachy. And to make it a little bit more beachier, I've added in some shells, some seashells, some gold seashells from this little rhinestone packet that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to be adding in some floral foil transfer. Now to apply the foil transfer, you're just going to use that exact same glue that we used in the beginning to apply the acrylic powder to the nail. Now I felt like I needed just a little bit more color onto my nails as well. So what I've done is I've taken my brush and a few of these colors from Modelones. Again, this is a sparkly glittery gel polish as well as a blue and a green, and I've just kind of added a faded outline around the top of my nails where I've drawn the surge, the water surge, as well as that sandy beach. Hey, here is the final look. What do you think? Does it look beachy to you? Does it remind you of the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean where I'm from? I do hope that you enjoyed this video and that you were able to learn a little something, and I will see you in the next one.